slight decrease in rainfall rate. The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Salt Lake County in northern Utah, Davis County in northern Utah, northeastern Tuella County in northern Utah, until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:59 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Stansbury Park, or 7 miles north of Tuella, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Salt Lake City, West Valley City, Layton, Bountiful, Farmington, Grantsville, Hill Air Force Base, Clearfield, Kaysville, Syracuse, Clinton, North Salt Lake, Centerville, Wheat Cross, Stansbury Park, South Weber, West Bountiful, Uinta, Salt Lake City International Airport, and Magna. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 307 and 337. Interstate 84 between mile markers 86 and 87. Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 83 and 119. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If on or near the Great Salt Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles per hour.